A lot of the customers I'm working with today have a lot of apprehension about unleashing AI in their environments and some of the basic things like Microsoft Copilot, for example. And the concern around that is twofold. One, what are we going to do with the lower level jobs? Is it going to displace people, or is it just going to enhance those jobs and make them easier, make them more productive? They're looking at licensed people like engineers, structural engineers, civil engineers, people who have a certifying body and what kind of things they're allowed to do under that certification, under that license. And it's creating a lot of concern for these organizations because some of those licensing bodies haven't come out with a ruling. And they're just saying, well, if they don't come out with a ruling soon, a lot of these engineers are going to start using it on their own, which could be disruptive for their environment. There's a lot of these organizations that are putting in within their acceptable use policy. They're making just this judgment statement for themselves, how they want AI used in their environment, what's acceptable, what's not, and moving forward with it and waiting for some of the licensing bodies to come out with some guidance.
Mike, what's the knee-jerk reaction you've seen in 2023 in working with these clients? Are they trying to rush to develop policy around AI? Are they trying to figure out technical governance for AI? Are they doing the ostrich thing and putting their head in the sand and hoping the problem solves itself? Like, what do you see?
A year ago, it was no AI. That was the knee-jerk. We can't have this. Now, just over the last maybe 6 months, we're seeing that rush for policy. Let's put some guardrails in place. Let's tell our employees how to use AI in the environment, what's acceptable, what's not. And then I think I haven't had any really that are ignoring it at this point. It's really front of mind. They're really putting a lot of focus on it.
That's great to hear. When I think back to GDPR or CCPA passing, and for a while there was this, maybe if we ignore it, it will go away.
Right.
All the lawsuits and all of that crazy stuff happened. And folks went, this is a regulatory threat. We need to deal with it. So maybe we're learning that we need to confront these things up front and head on instead of hoping they go away.
Right. I think so. And I think what the employers are seeing is that if they don't do something, their employees are going to use it. They're going to enhance their ability to do their job. They're going to be leaning on these AI tools, and they just want to get ahead of that.